I have two garden statues that the sun has faded the color on. I want them to look more like stone. First, I cleaned them with a wire brush and then gave them a couple of coats of Rust-Oleum textured paint. So I think I'm going to continue using just the Gorilla Glue for the duration. It's completely dry. I added here in the middle some of the little chipped floral glass that I found at Hobby Lobby. I think it really adds a little mosaic touch to it, but I'm very pleased with the way it turned out. I love the sea glass, the marbles. Just so beautiful. It's going to look very nice in my garden, and I think I want to glue it down to this pot plate, terracotta pot plate, and put this in a nice shady area so it doesn't have direct sun, because I don't know how this glue would take the direct sun, so this needs to be in a shady spot. Very pretty. Love it.